Do you remember the last time when your gardening efforts were ruined because of unpredictable weather? It was surely your last time grappling with that situation, because today I am going to unveil 12 groundbreaking gardening gadgets that will entirely change your gardening game. Keep watching till the end of this video to see the 12 most useful gadgets for gardening. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Garden knife. Every gardener needs to have the Hori garden knife in their toolkit. This versatile gadget is a time saver in more ways than you can imagine. It excels at cutting twine effortlessly, slicing through fresh produce, and dividing stubborn perennial plants. What's more, it features two distinct sides: a serrated edge for unruly stems and a straight edge for precise cuts. It's the go-to tool for a wide range of gardening tasks. But the icing on the cake is its super comfy walnut handle, which will let you work for hours without getting your hands exhausted. Apart from its attractive look, it also feels great to hold it. Its sturdy build is all set to survive those ups and downs. So if you are a gardener, this garden knife is your green thumb's best buddy. Soil Test Kit. Say hello to your new gardening secret weapon, the iPower Soil Test Kit. If you've ever found yourself pondering why your plants aren't thriving, this soil test kit is poised to uncover the root causes. Having this gardening tool is akin to having your personal garden detective. Simply insert it into the soil, and it will reveal any potential soil issues. Is your soil too dry, too alkaline, or lacking essential nutrients? Fear not, as this trusty companion holds all the solutions. With the iPower Soil Test Kit, you'll be equipped to make precise adjustments, ensuring a vibrant and healthy garden. Say goodbye to guesswork and usher in gardening success. Solar-powered garden lights. This is your gateway toward an illuminated and eco-friendly outdoor garden. The one and only Gigalumi solar lights. These little wizards act like a brightened welcome mat for your garden, patio, and yard. Imagine having illumination without having to struggle with wires. These lights absorb the sun's energy during the day, and in the evening, they burst into life, emitting a bright and warm glow. Come rain or intense sunshine, these waterproof lights remain resilient, ensuring that your outdoor area stays brilliantly illuminated, no matter the weather conditions. These solar lights aren't only about lighting, they are all about elegance and energy saving. Brighten up your garden in style and sustainability, the Gigalumi way. Compost bin. Say goodbye to food waste with OXO's Good Grips Easy Clean Compost Bin. This kitchen eco-champion is a breath of fresh, green air for your countertop. Now, instead of tossing your food scraps in the regular trash, this compost bin helps you transform them into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. That's the kind of eco-magic it works. Plus, its user-friendly design ensures a hassle-free experience. A simple touch swings the bin open, allowing you to easily dispose of your kitchen waste. Turn your waste into a green earth living resource and revitalize your garden. Gardening boots. Step into your garden with these Boggs garden boots, the essence of style, comfort, and performance. These boots are the source of fresh air for your feet, ensuring you pull your gardening tasks well with comfort. With an aesthetic design and practical ankle-high cut, they are more than just catering to your fashion needs. They are here to change your game. They are waterproof and long-lasting, suitable for every weather. The non-slip soles focus on providing firmness, and the cozy interior lets your feet stay happy while working for long hours. Organic seed starting pots. For the eco-conscious gardener, these organic and plantable seed starting pots are a dream come true. These are not your typical containers, they're the sustainable solution to elevate your seedling efforts. Crafted from 100% organic materials and completely free from harmful chemicals, these pots offer an incredible benefit. When it's time to transplant your seedlings, simply place these cups into the soil. In a matter of weeks, they break down and biodegrade, enriching your soil with valuable nutrients. With these organic pots, gardening becomes even more rewarding and environmentally friendly. It's a win-win for both you and the planet. Pruning shears. Fiskars Bypass. Pruning shears are the hidden gem in the gardener's toolkit. These shears do wonders by reshaping your plants, giving them a new identity and unwavering beauty. These shears make pruning dead branches, shaping shrubs, and rejuvenating wilted flowers a breeze, promoting new growth for your cherished plants. What's more, their ingenious design guarantees that your garden darlings undergo a transformation without any harm. With their incredibly comfortable handles and lightweight construction, you can work with your plants for extended hours with minimal effort. These pruning shears are the new way to foster healthier and greenish gardens, all while boosting your gardening skills. Bug Catching Tool. Carson's Bug Catching Tool is a game changer for gardeners, offering a quick and effective way to identify and capture tiny insects without any harm. What sets it apart is the crystal clear magnifying lens that allows for detailed observation. Its comfortable grip makes catching and inspecting insects a breeze. The icing on the cake is the quick release feature, ensuring that you can return these bugs to their natural habitat unscathed. Whether you're a curious young explorer venturing into the hidden world of crawlers or a dedicated gardening enthusiast, this tool is your ultimate companion. Garden Kneeler and Seat. The Weaver Folding Garden Kneeler and Seat is your versatile companion, designed to turn your gardening endeavor into a fun and easy task. With just a simple flip, you can transform the seat into a kneeler, reducing the strain on your knees and back during extended gardening sessions. It's a perfect fit for tasks like weeding, planting, and tending to low garden beds. What truly sets it apart is the robust steel frame and plush cushioning, providing a winning combination of support and comfort. Now enjoy your every garden moment with this garden kneeler and seat. Hand Transplanter. For those who value precision in their transplanting, the Radius Garden Hand Transplanter is a must-have tool. It boasts an expertly crafted aluminum blade, designed to effortlessly pierce through the soil and create the ideal planting hole. If you're keen on giving your plants a healthy head start, make sure to include this essential tool in your gardening kit. It guarantees precise planting depths and minimizes root disturbances, ensuring your plants are on the path to success. Its durable yet lightweight design makes it a perfect choice for gardeners of all levels of experience, from beginners to seasoned experts. Gardening Tools Organizer. This is your way to keep your gardening gear in spick and span order. Rolling tool storage. Take it as your gardening assistance on wheels, ready to provide you with essential tools. This sturdy organizer lets you store, organize, and transport your gardening tools with ample space. The most exciting aspect is its rolling feature, which allows easy access to tools no matter where you're standing in your garden. No more misplaced garden gadgets, only organized garden happiness with this Gardening Tools Organizer. Garden Gloves. These garden gloves are the warriors against your tough and messed tasks. They act as your hands' private guards, protecting them from vigorous gardening chores. What's even more fantastic is they have a perfect grip over dirt, thorns, and rough surfaces with maintained agility. These garden gloves possess a microfoam coating that not only supports an ideal grip over your tools, but also the comfort and dryness of your hands. In the realm of gardening, possession of the right tools and gadgets can enhance your gardening adventure. From innovative bug-catching tools to organic seed starting pots, these 12 gadgets are a must-have to take your gardening skills to the next level. With that, let's end this video right here. Keep gardening and keep shining.